Hello and welcome to another video of this series presented by techlatest.net. In this video, we are going to provide you step-by-step guide to provision the Kali Linux with graphical user interface GUI virtual machine solution provided by techlatest.net on Azure Cloud platform. And once your solution is deployed, we will see how to connect to Kali graphical user interface using VNC client. So let's begin our video. Open techlatest Kali Linux listing on Azure Marketplace. To do so, go to techlatest.net website, navigate to Products and Support page, search for Kali GUI Linux. Click on Kali GUI Linux from the search result. You can read the overview of this offer here. On this page, click Launch Now on Azure button. It will take you to the products listing page on Azure Marketplace. Scroll down and read more about this offering. Navigate to Plans plus Pricing tab. Here you can see the available plan and pricing. You can also check for recommended machine types here. Once you are ready, click on Get It Now button. It will ask you to log in if you are not already logged in. Click on Continue. On this page, click on Create. It will take you to the VM's configuration page. Select a resource group for your virtual machine, or you can create a new by clicking here. Give a name to your virtual machine. Select a region where you want to launch the VM, such as East US. If you see this image is not compatible with selected security type, to keep trusted launch virtual machine, error message below the image name as shown here, then please change the security type to standard from this drop down. Optionally change the number of cores and amount of memory. I'm going with standard B2S for this demo. Select the authentication type as password. Enter username as Ubuntu and password of your choice. Click on Next. Default disk is of 60 GB size. You can increase it from here as per your test case. Optionally change the OS disk type. You can delete the disk on VM delete by selecting this option here. Click on Next. Optionally change the network and subnetwork. Be sure that whichever network you specify has port 22 for SSH and 5900 for VNC connectivity. This VM comes with the pre-configured NSG rules. You can check it from here. Both port 22 and 5900 are open. Optionally go to the Management, Advanced, and tabs for any advanced settings you want for the VM. Click on Review plus Create and then click on Create when you are done. Virtual machine will begin deploying. A summary page displays when the virtual machine is successfully created. Click on Go to Resource link to go to the resource page. It will open an overview page of virtual machine. On VM overview page, you can check for all the details. If you forgot your Ubuntu user password or want to update it, you can do it from here. In the left pane, scroll down and select Reset Password option. Select Reset Password. Provide Ubuntu username. Provide the new password. Update the changes. To connect to the VM via SSH, note down the public IP of the VM from overview page. Open PuTTY, paste the IP address and click on Open. Login as Ubuntu and provide the password for Ubuntu user. Kali Linux is available as a container image on this Ubuntu host. To connect to Kali command line, run this command here: sudo docker execute -it Kali Linux, which is the name of the Kali container, /bin/bash. Then to allow the connection via VNC client. From your local Windows machine, go to Start menu. In the search box, type and select VNC. If you don't have VNC installed on your local system, first install VNC Viewer as per your device. In the VNC Viewer wizard, copy the external IP from the instance details page and paste it here. Click Connect. Accept the encryption warning. Now you are connected to out-of-the-box Kali Linux desktop environment via VNC client with root user. The VM comes with various Kali Linux tools pre-installed out of the box. You can browse them here. We will see them in detail in our upcoming videos. After your first login, you must change your root user password. For that, open terminal and run this command to change the root user password. x11vnc-store password. Provide the password, enter yes. Once the password is set, reboot the VM. Now my VM is restarted. Let's re-log in with root user and new password. Suppose for any reason you are unable to connect to Kali Linux via terminal or VNC client. In that case, go to SSH terminal and check the status of the container. Run sudo docker ps-a command, hit enter. If the container is not running for some reason or got exited, in that case restart the Kali container and VNC connection. Run sudo docker start Kali Linux to start the container. After that, run sudo docker execute Kali Linux /entrypoint.sh ampersand to allow the connection via VNC client. Now you can access the Kali Linux. That's it for today's video. This is how you can provision the tech latest Kali Linux with graphical user interface GUI virtual machine solution available on Azure Marketplace. Thank you for watching.